was asked recently in an interview relating to this program, sort of for the promotion of this program, whether there really is a heroin epidemic or an opioid epidemic in this country and in this state, or whether this is just a lot of media hype. I have colleagues and friends, many of them who are professional, successful people who are currently living the nightmare of dealing with heroin-addicted children. There are people right now in this room, I know, who have lost friends, family members, and children as a result of addiction to heroin or other opiates. There are people in this room tonight who I know love someone who is currently struggling with addiction. And I know that there are people in this room tonight, lots of them, gratifyingly, who are in recovery. And to all of those people, I want to say congratulations. If there's anything I've learned over the past few years, achieving and maintaining recovery from this disease is not an easy thing. And all of you who are in recovery, you know that you're an inspiration to others and you give hope to others who are struggling right now with this disease. My understanding as well is that it tends to be migration to heroin because of the expense of prescription pills. So when prescription pills on the black market are significantly more expensive than heroin. So once people have developed their addiction, their tolerance increases, they can't get as many prescription pills from doctors, they're getting off the black market, it's too expensive, they switch to heroin. So that's something that's driving the increase in heroin addiction as well. And I believe in October 2014, wasn't it, they changed the prescription hydrocodone anyways to a Schedule II drug, which is tightening the prescription.
And the average Vicodin, which Vicodin is hydrocodone, goes for between $50 and $70 a pill, per pill.
One of the organizations I work with is Families Against Narcotics, and we go into schools and we talk to kids. And we live in a culture right now that just accepts taking pills for any problem that you have. If you can't wake up, there's a pill for that. If you can't go to sleep, there's a pill for that. Your back hurts, there's a pill for that. You can't have sex, there's a pill for that. You're feeling too sad, there's a pill. So we live in this society where everyone thinks taking pills is okay. So the doctor gives us a pill. And so we think, and we trust our doctors, right? And the person maybe doesn't fully understand it. And then mom's at home and she's got the Vicodin because she had surgery and now Johnny's back hurts. So we give Johnny the pill because the doctor gave this to me and that makes it okay. We were talking to students who actually said, I really don't think it's that big of a deal that I take pills out of my parents' medicine cabinet because they come from a doctor. So we have to change that entire idea that, you know, the sharing prescription pills is okay, that in educating people, educating doctors, but also educating people to educate themselves before they're taking medications. My aunt called me